Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the paper pumpkin. This is the July 2024 Painted Petals Paper Pumpkin Kit. Comes in this cute little box. We're going to be making some alternates. This is just a reminder to show you what the kit makes. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We're going to start with the August Paper Pumpkin Kit, Time for Cake. This kit is going to make 9 cards. Comes with the Night of Navy stamping spot. There's an every celebration dies add-on that you can purchase for $12. The item number is 164991. These dies coordinate with July, August, and September's Paper Pumpkin Kit. Also, the August kit is going to have a additional stamp set in there for free, yay, and it's a birthday theme kit. This and all kits can be ordered through the Paper Pumpkin, and the link is in the description box below if you want to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail these boxes in the US. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Next, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Also, in the month of July, we have our bonus days promotion going on. When you spend $50, you earn a $5 coupon from Stampin' Up. So for every $50 increment that you spend on one order, you get a $5 coupon emailed to you from Stampin' Up that you can use in August on your orders, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get started on these alternates. I have a set of 2 sets of cards I'm going to be doing today. First, we're just going to start by finishing one card. This is one of the cards that I made in my reveal video, my unboxing video of this kit. All I did was cut it from the back of the card base. I cut the back off and then cut this down to 4 by 5 1/4. And then we're just going to layer it on a piece of basic black that is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Yeah. So I didn't do anything except for cut the front off and make it smaller so that we can layer it on this piece of basic black. Whoop. Don't move it around too much, get it out of place. Then we're going to put this onto the card base. The card base I have is a thick basic white 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. And we're just going to layer that right on there. And that is a quick way to make an alternate. All I did was add a little frame around the front of the card that they provided. And so I did that with all 3 cards. So this is those right there. That's our first alternate done. Isn't that easy and quick? That's why we're doing another set. So this set, we have basic white, again, as our card base, the thick 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. All of the card bases are going to be the same. Then we have a piece of basic black that I don't remember the size. Oh no. Let me get a ruler here. Okay. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4. Yeah. Okay, so we're just going to glue this down to the base of our card. And again, just sit that right in the middle. And I'm going to do that 3 times because I have 3 different cards we're going to make. So let's go ahead and get that done for all of them. Okay. And these cards are going to be very similar to the ones that we just put together, except for we're not using the card fronts. We're just going to use the elements that went on the front of the cards. So we're going to pretty much set them up exactly the same. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back. And we're going to sit this about right there. Bring it down just a little bit. About right there. Okay? So now we're going to put dimensionals on the back of this. These are not dimensionals. Oh, goodness. Let's do one more down there. Take the backings off. And I want to add this about right there. Like that. Okay? And then this is our little sentiment label we're going to have there. And let's go ahead and get the next one. Put some dimensionals on the back of this one. I probably should be using my mini dimensionals. Yeah, let me get those. Because some of these spaces I want to put a dimensional is kind of small. Okay, so we have that. And then on this one, we're going to take the green, the Mossy Meadow little label. This came in the kit as well. And we're going to put this one about right here, like that. I'm going to remove the backings from our dimensionals. And where do I want to put this? I want to put it up a little ways, I think. About right there. Like that. Then our last one here. Where's the... We're going to get this Melon Mambo piece. And this one is going to be coming from this side. Let me make sure I have that in the right spot. It could be a little lower. About right there. We're going to put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of this. Yes, I went back to the larger ones, but for this smaller area at the bottom, I'm going to use the mini. Take off the backs. I'm going to turn this around. Uh-oh, I bent my leaf. And we're going to put this right about there. Now all we have to do is our sentiment. So let me get all the little labels for our cards here. And we're going to use the same sentiments. And I'm going to use basic gray for my ink. So let's do Let's Celebrate You. That would be this one. Stamp that down. Then we have I'm So Glad to Have You in My Life. Let's see. That's this. Yeah. I love these little labels that they give us in the kit. Then the last one is Friends Like You Make Life Beautiful. We're going to stamp that right there. Then we're going to close up our ink. And we're going to add dimensionals to our sentiment labels. Put one there. Let me see. Yeah, I'll put one right about here. Remove the backings. We're going to have that over that right there. Then on this one, I'm gonna put a dimension on the back here. And I want the dimension on this one about right there, up here. Take the backings off so that it will stick. And we want to put this label up here like that. Then we're going to do this one. So we want to dimensional on this side. And on this one, I think I'm going to do it a little lower. Take off the backing so it'll stick. Stick, stick, stick. We're going to put that right there. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is add some bling. And for the bling, I am not using what came in the kit. If I can find it, I'm using the adhesive back sequins trio. These are similar to the ones that came in the kit. So I'm just going to put some around on our card here, like that. Oh man, I bent my frame. Oh no, that's no good. Okay, then on this one, and those are our cards done. So those are my 2 alternates. Oh man, I don't like this frame is bent. So that one, and then this set of 3 here. So those are my first sets of alternates for this paper pumpkin, July 2024. That's it, that's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.